Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Nandini Art and Crafts. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in my today's video I'll show you how to make door toran for the upcoming festivals. As you know that this is the festival season, so I thought to share beautiful ideas for this festival and the upcoming Diwali. So guys, let's begin with our work. So guys, before starting I want to say that guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my coming videos. And guys, let's begin with it. So let's do. So guys, this type of toran I'll show you how to make. It's a multicolor toran and it's look elegant on the doors, corners, and it's very popular these days. So I thought to share this idea to make at home. So guys, let's begin with it and let's go further. So guys, for making the toran and for making the pom pom, first we are going to take here the materials like scissor, fork and a wool. You can prefer any color wool according to your choice and preference and availability. So let's begin with it and go to the first step. Guys, take here a first end of the wool and just fork and just wrap it around the fork around 50 to 60 turns like this, as I'm doing. It's very simple and easy way to create the pom pom. So let's do it and just make here a 50 to 60 turns on it like this. Now cut the end from the back like this and just take here 1/4 of the wool and just insert it from the down portion from here and hold the wool carefully and insert it from the bottom and just pull it from the back. Wait, let me show you. Like, pull it from the back and just hold it carefully and just tie it strongly and make sure that it would be so strong that the wool doesn't come out, which you have knotted already. So tighten it from the center and make 2 to 3 knots. So it is done. After tying, just remove it from the fork like this, and after that let's move to the third step. Now guys, just trim it from the corners and to the center like this, as I'm showing. Just follow the step as I'm showing you in the video and like this. And guys, please stay tuned up to the end of the video too for beautiful ideas. And just trim it and just trim the extra portion from the top like this and tighten it and just trim it and chop it excessively, and then from the another side again do the similar portion and just chop it. So guys, extra chopping is done. Now just bring it towards the back and push it like this and just trim and just roll it in your hands to give it a shape like a round, and just trim the excess wool and shape it like this as I am showing you in the video. Just follow the similar step as I am showing. It would be easy for you to make the pom pom at home, and you can make toran with the 2 colors combination or a single color combination. I am making here a multicolor. It would look good and better. So like this, and just roll it in your hand, make it little hard. So guys, our pom pom is ready, and see how beautiful and circular it is looking. So this would be the right shape of the pom pom. So guys, see here I have made multicolor pom poms and I have made here 13 total, and you can increase the size of pom poms and decrease according to your preference and availability. I am making here a 13 pom poms toran. You can do it 20 but not more than 20, as increase them more than 20. So guys, let's make them. So guys, we need materials for making the toran is these red colors crystal sequences and some beads of golden and white color and some pom-poms and a needle with the inserted wool, and just make a knot at the end like this. So now let's do it quickly. So take here any pom-pom and just insert it through the needle like this and push it up to the back. Now take here a red color sequence and just insert it through the needle again similarly, and just push it to the backwards and bring it closer to the inserted pom-pom like this. And just take here golden and white bead, just insert similarly as I'm showing you like this, golden and white, golden and white, and insert around 10 beads. So just make it similarly as I am doing. So it is done like this. Now insert other pom-pom similarly as this one toran. Just follow the similar process after every pom-pom. So guys, see, it's almost done. So now I have inserted total 10 pom-poms right now. So I am going to insert some more up to 13. I am inserting the last pom-pom up to the end, and see, and just make a tight knot over the pom-pom so that the thread would not lose it like this. Now guys, take here some pink color beads for the hanging on the top and insert some pink color beads one by one in the wool like this. So around 10 beads you can insert there, something like this, and just insert it towards the end and make a loop like this and just tie it to the pom-pom and make a knot. That is well known to everyone, and be careful while stitching with the needle like this. So just tighten it and just cut the extra wool from here. So guys, I hope you all like this toran making. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And guys, I want much and much love from your side. And guys, I have uploaded last year one video similar toran making, and in that video I have shared 4 ideas of toran. So you can watch that video. I will put the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching. Be happy and share your love with me, and please share your feedbacks in the comment section below, as I love seeing your comments. Thank you guys, love you all, bye bye, happy festive season.